From there, the heroes left the Smurf village and went back to camp because they were still camping in the woods. Hey, Roger, want to go fishing with me? Sure, but how? First, we need bait. We gotta find worms. So grab this shovel and put them in this bucket. Okay. Sure, I can do that. If you find it, and if you find anything else, just tell me. It could be shit, or it could be also something valuable. Like what's so damn valuable? Like treasure. Well, if I find it's finders keepers, all mine, not yours, dumbass. Have fun. After finding enough worms, we will go fishing. Okay, then I better find those worms then. Start digging, boy. After 5 whole hours. Is this enough worms? Let's see. Help! Help! Don't feed us to the worms! The worms are getting eaten by the fish. So you gotta say it like, help! Help! Don't feed us to the fish! Am I saying it right? I don't know. I'm confused. Those are worms and they're talking just like a cartoon. Blah, 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 blah. Let's keep reading. Yes, we have enough worms. Now we can go fishing. Then a boat on a lake. Hey, Roger, have you caught any fish yet? No, I haven't. Where are all the damn fish? I don't know. Maybe we should... I don't know. Maybe we just ain't trying hard enough. Yep, probably not. Gotta be patient when fishing. They don't come to you right away. Gotta be patient and wait. Wait! But we've been waiting here for a very, very long time. Well, you have to be patient, Roger, and talk quietly. You're scaring the fish. Hey, wait a minute, I caught something. Reel it in, boy. I'm trying. Come on, you can do it, Roger. Hey, wait a minute. That's not a fish. It's just shoes. It's shoes. Hey, wait a minute. Those aren't just any shoes. They are golden. Yeah, why would I want that? Because they might be worth a lot of money. You see, I used to suck at fishing too, and it always came up as shoes. But you can sell the shoes to get money. Where? Who would buy old, wet shoes from a lake of water? What I would do is pitch a lemonade stand, but instead of lemons and lemonade, you sell shoes. And people buy that shit? And you can also cook and eat shoes as well. The fuck? Hey, you want some candy? You want some candy? I found this shit. It's pretty good. Uh-oh. Sure. Nom nom nom. It's pretty good. Crunch. Oh, wait a minute. I feel a buzz. Give me more of that. Actually, I don't know where I found it. There's not a whole lot I could find. Damn it! I want more! Alright. Oops, sorry, I gave you the wrong candy. Whatever you do, don't go off finding that shit. Why? You will see machine elves, or worse yet, end up retarded like Sammy. Oh, okay. Wait, Roger, my fishing pole caught something. Well, reel it in. Let's see what it is. Oh my God. What kind of fish is that? Is that even a fish? No. Better yet, it's a dolphin. It looks dead. Can I eat it? What's a dolphin doing here? This is not Florida. Yeah, I've been into Florida before. That place was hell. That place was hell. Florida is hell, says Roger, the dinosaur. No, Roger, that wasn't Florida. That was a joke you made up. What do you mean it was? I wasn't in Florida. What do you mean I wasn't in Florida? Do you remember the spirit Garfield, the cat, threw you into hell, and with the power of Zolphilus, I came to rescue you? Oh wait, that makes sense. That actually happened. It happened in my comics at one time. Hold on a second. Let me tell you what happened. That Roger the dinosaur, when he met Garfield the cat, who eats lasagna usually, Garfield was a demon that threw him into hell. And I had to rescue him. But Zolphilus helped me rescue Roger the dinosaur from hell. So yeah, that happened in my comic books a long time ago. And I'm using that idea to yet because it already happened in my comics. Okay? That's what happened. So, alright, onto this page. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Hey, you're under... what should the dolphin's voice be? And by the way, this dolphin is an undercover cop. You'll see why. Yeah. Hey, you're under arrest. Oh no! That dolphin is an undercover cop who is a dolphin for some reason. Yeah, that's right. My name is Officer Dolphin Cop. And you have no license to go fishing here. How the hell do I know that you need to get a license to fish? It's the law. Quit breaking the law, asshole. Roger, go jump off the boat and swim to land. I'll deal with this crooked cop. Or should I say, weird dolphin guy who thinks he's a police officer. Okay. I mean, that's Roger the dinosaur jumping the lake and probably swimming to land. Splash. Hey, get your ass back here. Wait a minute, are you a dinosaur? Pow! Then I punch. Corey began punching the dolphin cop. The dolphin cop's gun fell into the deep water because he dropped it. What the hell is wrong with you? License is law. Oh yeah? Don't give a flying fuck. Taxation is theft. Taxation is theft. Get lost. I wish I could call the firm back up, but I don't have many friends who are police officers like me. I'm the only police officer working at this lake. Maybe you should let people fish here. Then people might fish here and become your friend. Then just having one lake all to it's better than just having one lake all to yourself. But it's my job. Here's $5 if you shut up and let us fish here. I can let you be my friend. $5. Cha-ching! So I'm bribing the police officer for some odd reason. Geez, thank you. Now I can buy more donuts. Well, spend it wisely on your donuts then. Thank you so much, sir. My name is King Corey Fluxtra. Well, pleased to meet you, King. Now get off my boat! I'm going to land now. See you later, my friend. Bye. Thanks for the money and friendship, Splash. Yeah, whatever. Splash. Then, Dolphin Cop left the boat. And the boat is going to land. Back to land. Because it was in the lake. Now you gotta go back to land. So, yeah. Bye.